Yeah.
I mean, how do you see, why is the government, do you think, is still silent? Why they are not giving a response, especially as you're talking about PCB? I mean, also there's a happy news coming from sport as we're talking about India-Pakistan tensions. That
Indians
Pakistani
negatively as well, because they are also against in Pakistan, not in sense of politics, but also in sense.
You saw a picture of him a couple of months ago where he was fighting with fans in New Zealand. He declared that. So there are lots of discussion happening in sport and Tahir bhai today. How do you think?
Me good Akib, God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai. And how do you see this news, Tahir bhai, that ICC has not yet confirmed that the India-Pakistan match will not be played in the upcoming tournaments? How do you see that?
Because Akib, I think,
Is it the waiting game, Tahir bhai?
yeah, Akib, and there is a no strong narrative also seen from PCB as well. So I think there might,
And ICC want money, Tahir bhai. This match generates.
and Akib,
huge
there
money.
might have been under the table games might have been taking place. Influence on PCB might have been taking place. That's why Akib official statement neither from PCB and neither from nor from ICC have came
Not even
into
from,
the news.
from
Yeah.
government of Pakistan.
Yeah.
I mean, how do you see, why is the government, do you think, is still silent? Why they are not giving a response, especially as you're talking about PCB? Why is PCB not in talks, any sort of talks with the opposition?
Yeah, Akib, the reason is India is in big three who are controlling the ICC. And in previous few videos, I also mentioned that ICC is not an international cricket council, it's an Indian cricket council. So that's why Akib, PCB is also a bit reluctant in a sense of giving proper statement about the existence of this match or not. That's why now it's the time PCB should have to pull their socks up and they should show their open eyes to the enemy that we are friends, we are brothers, but if you will hurt our dignity, we will respond to back.
And Tahir bhai, also there's a happy news coming from sport as we're talking about India-Pakistan tensions, that Pakistani boxer Usman Wazir has defeated his Indian counterpart in the first round in a boxing match. Tahir bhai, how do you see this? Obviously, in this current scenario, these kind of victories give a huge boost.
Definitely, Akib. And Akib, this sort of victory will also affect the Indians negatively as well, because they are also against in Pakistan, not in sense of politics, but also in sense of cricket as well. And
Usman Wazir is also Pathan.
Yeah.
Pathan has that.
And Akib, I was also reading a news that Indian board has given the statement that India won't play any match with Pakistan, right? So Akib, what's the issue of the sports? And Indian board should open their eyes. They are a big cricketing nation. Such sort of small clerical statements and acts by themselves are not appropriate for the betterment of the cricket. So I think Akib, India should not take this news on their heart that winning of Pakistani sports person. So I think Akib, this news will also affect the Pakistan and Indian bilateral relationships.
And Tahir bhai, as we're talking about the Pashtun community in Pathan, Khushdal Shah recently has clarified the statement that why he basically, you saw a picture of him a couple of months ago where he was fighting with fans in New Zealand. He declared that it was because of the fans were getting too personal with him with regard to his family and the country. And he said that I'm able to bear criticism on my own, but when it comes to the family and country, I get out of it.
Akib, same thing also happened with Haris Rauf.
You saw in USA.
Yeah, it was with
and then he
family
started
and-
fighting.
Yeah, Akib, I also respect
That time the team was also in a very bad shape.
I also request the fans, please have a mercy on the players. Don't put them under fire. They love you and we also love them. But I think though in the New Zealand, those spectators were from Afghanistan. if
That
I'm
we
not
were
wrong.
hearing from.
So Akib, Afghanis are also very
They
bad.
always have a very hatred towards
Yeah, they
Pakistan.
also have very hatred character towards Pakistan, and it's a very pathetic sort of news. So, and I wish that such sort of incidents might not take place in future. And ICC should also keep an eye and should also issue some guidelines for the fans as well, that they should have respect and give respect to the players.
And lastly, before we close this video, Tahir bhai, as we are seeing the Grafi Stadium from a few centimeters away, today is the match between Karachi and Quetta. How do you see this? A Warner 11 versus Saud 11.
Okay, I think in this match I will give upper hand to South 11 because Akib Warner's team is struggling for success from a huge.
And also, I want to tell fans, Kane Williamson will also be playing today.
Yeah, so
New
I think
Zealand
that's why
Kiwi
South 11
star.
will be on upper hand, but I am not taking Warner 11 on a very light.
But Warner can win the match single-handedly.
Warner can win the match single-handedly, but the factual figure is saying that South 11 will be upper hand, but we will have to wait for the final results of the match.
Okay, Abhi, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will try to everything. So, if you say that, that's it. Do like and subscribe to Sports for more content like this. Goodbye from me, entire side. You could give us a fan. Allah Hafiz.
मैं बिरयानी ला